Introduction. Today, technology has become an integrated part of people's lives. It has, and continues to influence many aspects of daily life and has allowed better social interaction, ease of transportation, etc. Home automation or sensible home may be delineated as introduction of technology within the home atmosphere to provide ease and protection to its occupants. By using the technology of the Internet of Things, the examination and execution of home automation have got additional average. Introduction. Today, technology has become an integrated part of people's lives. It has, and continues to influence many aspects of daily life and has allowed better social interaction, ease of transportation, etc. Home automation or sensible home may be delineated as introduction of technology within the home atmosphere to provide ease and protection to its occupants. By using the technology of the Internet of Things, the examination and execution of home automation have got additional average. Why smart home? Smart home is applicable in various aspects of our home and environment to suit our different preferences. Comfort or ease of control. Entertainment, security, convenience all time. Lifetime personalization. User-friendly. Literature survey. The work of John J. Grachin discussed challenges faced by home automation systems include high manufacturing costs, high development costs. Kelly, Sean Dieter Tebj, Nagendra Kumar Suryadevara, and Subhas Chandra Mukhopadhyay. Towards the implementation of IoT for environmental condition monitoring in homes. Proposed IoT architecture. From the Raspberry Pi, by means of Wi-Fi configuration and IoT concept, we can turn on OFF the light by using the relay. Relays are switches that open and close circuits electromechanically or electronically. The PIR sensor is used to detect the human being presence and send messages in any case of there is a theft. The lights and fans can be controlled by creating web server in personal computer, tablet, or we can create an app in mobile. The Internet of Things, IoTs, can be defined as connecting the various types of objects like smartphones, personal computer, and tablets to Internet. The aim of the IoT is that enable things to be connected anytime, anywhere with anything and anyone. IoT brings in very new-fangled type of communication between things and people and also between things. With the introduction of IoTs, the research and development of home automation are becoming popular in the recent days. Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a low-cost credit card-size single-board computer developed by Raspberry Pi Foundation. Raspberry Pi is controlled by a modified version of Debian Linux. The core of the home automation system is this mini computer. Several generations of Raspberry Pis have been released. Here we are using model Raspberry Pi 3. Raspbian is the computer operating system used for Raspberry Pi. It is a Debian-based computer operating system. It is also called Noobs OS. This OS can be downloaded from the website raspberrypi.org. Python is a widely used high-level programming language for general-purpose programming. It has wide range of applications from web development, scientific and mathematical computing to desktop graphical user interfaces. Python allows you to write programs having greater functionality with fewer lines of code. LM35, calibrated directly in centigrade, linear plus 10 mV/scale factor proportional to the centigrade, ensured accuracy, at plus 25C, suitable for remote applications, less than 60 a current drain. Operates from 4 to 30 V. Low self-heating capability, low impedance output. MQ6, high sensitivity to LPG, isobutane, propane, small sensitivity to alcohol, smoke. Fast response. Stable and long life, simple drive circuit. Resistance value of MQ6 is difference to various kinds and various concentration gases. Calibrate the detector for 1000 ppm of LPG concentration in air, load resistance, RL, about 20 kΩ, 10 kΩ to 47 kΩ. When accurately measuring, the proper alarm point for the gas detector should be determined after considering the temperature and humidity influence. The sensor requires two voltage inputs, heater voltage, VH, and circuit voltage, VC. VH is used to supply standard working temperature to the sensor, and it can adopt DC or AC power. VRL is the voltage of load resistance RL, which is in series with sensor. DC supplies the detect voltage to load resistance RL, and it should adopt DC POW. PIR sensor, a device used to detect motion by receiving infrared radiation. They are small, inexpensive, low power, easy to use. PIRs are basically made of a pyroelectric sensor, which can detect levels of infrared radiation. Along with the pyroelectric sensor is a bunch of supporting circuitry, resistors, and capacitors. This chip takes the output of the sensor and does some minor processing on it to emit a digital output pulse from the analog sensor. Wi-Fi, a radio technology that networks the devices, refers to wireless LAN products based on the IEEE 802.11g specification, provides easy connections to the internet and business networks while traveling. The main attractive feature of this technology is that it can provide wireless broadband connection within a specific geographic boundary. A Wi-Fi hotspot is created by installing an access point to an internet connection. An access point acts as a base station. When Wi-Fi-enabled device encounters a hotspot, the device can then connect to that network wirelessly. A single access point can support up to 30 users and can function within a range of 100 to 150 feet indoors and up to 300 feet outdoors. MCP3008 ADC. The MCP3008 is a 10-bit 8-channel analog-to-digital converter, ADC. It is cheap, easy to connect, and doesn't require any additional components. It uses the SPI bus protocol, which is supported by the PI's GPIO header. Web server. Various applications located at home can be remotely controlled. Information are stored in embedded system. Such type of web servers are called embedded web server. We will use the Raspberry Pi to induce the information from servers. Raspberry Pi also can serve sound, video, workable programs. User interface. The user will see and act with. The Android-enabled phone makes control, provides a range of pre-built program parts, provides other user interface modules, enable the user to look at the device status. Advantages: flexibility, programmatically control devices. Better scalability and security. Energy saving. Improved comfort and safe. Disadvantage: high cost, damage of cable, affect entire system, signal receiving problem, human error occur, huge system crash. Future scope: controlling various household devices of house with internet, industrial automation and management through internet. Machine-driven fireplace exit systems, improvement of security problems in extremely restricted areas. I have designed two codes using Raspberry Pi and ESP32 code explanation. Libraries: the ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h and ESP8266 WebServer.h libraries handle Wi-Fi and web server functionalities, respectively. Wi-Fi connection: replace your _SSID and your _password with your network credentials. Pins: set up the PIR sensor, relay, and MQ6 sensor pins. Web server: provides a simple web interface to control the relay. Sensor reading: continuously reads the PIR and MQ6 sensors and prints their values to the serial monitor. Relay control: controls the relay based on the PIR sensor state and web requests. Raspberry Pi code explanation. GPIO setup: configures GPIO pins for the PIR sensor and relay. SPI setup: initializes SPI to communicate with the MCP3008 ADC for reading the MQ6 sensor. Flask web server: provides a simple web interface to control the relay and view sensor data. Routes / displays the current state of the PIR sensor and MQ6 sensor value. /relay /on turns the relay on. /relay /off turns the relay off.